Welcome to Antonio's again. We got the bigger surprise of my entire career of cooking. But Mr. Sinatra is we're gonna cook his style, and Spiro Agnew that we cook for them in the studios, and also beautiful surprise. Please follow me this way. This is Mr. Sinatra's favorite room. This is his favorite room. There's the rat pack right there, and that's his picture against the wall. He loves this room. Wherever he is, rest in peace, Mr. Sinatra. Beautiful man. He did a lot of parties in his house. También es kitchen de los Ángeles. ¿Ya llevaron la comida a la vieja? No. Yeah. Here's the beautiful kitchen. Yeah, we're gonna surprise you with a beautiful cooking, a New York stripper, the New York stripper, the way Mr. Sinatra used to like it. A little oil and a little flavor, little salt. We're gonna throw this on the fire because it's takes done. Little pepper, little flavor, and we're gonna have a little sauce on top, like a mustard sauce, but it's not mustard sauce, okay? That's at the end. Here we go. Tápame porque se cocina pronto. En la pollo papachango. Okay. You also go ahead with the chicken and almond sauce. You're going to throw it on the fire. That's for Barbara Walter style. Barbara, his wife, little breast of chicken. Uno nomás tuvo. Okay. That's with almond sauce, pollo almendrado. And that's the cachetes. Cachetes is also the helper here in the kitchen. This is the beautiful sauces. We're going to have some beautiful fresh vegetables the way he like it. So we're going to show you step by step so that everything will come out beautifully. This is the almond sauce. And this is the beautiful miniature carrots. Miniature carrots with a little butter sauce. Meanwhile, we gotta cook in the vegetables. Not too much potatillo. Así, no, así está bien, Con eso hay huevo, lo voy a devolver. Está el jugo. Vegetables here. No trae nada aquí con que agarrar mi madre. Okay. Ahí están las caras. ¿Están las caras? This everything gotta be accompanied with some kind of vegetables. So, you know, we cook the New York stripper for Spiro Agnew and Mr. Sinatra and Dixon. This gotta be looking good. This is the breast of chicken and almond sauce, very beautiful. When it's done, it's going to be very tasty. And this, ¿cuál es el vino? ¿Cuál es el vino? Necesitamos más vino. Here's a little wine. Gotta get a little flavor for the asparagus. A little butter. No, it's the best cook in the world. I make everybody smile at me. Always my 2 hands occupied doing something. I just talking and doing nothing. This is the almond sauce. You gotta throw a little jalapeno here. Oh, ya te olvides jalapeno. Okay, te preparan los 2 platos bien bonitos. frijol, vamos a dar verduras. Nos tiene un poquito de guacamole, una frita, porque esté bien verde, para que vea que está muerto, no. We just about done with the cooking of the New York stripper. Está bien verde. Lupe no sabe nada, ese Lupe no lo hace. Here's the New York stripper, Frank Sinatra's way. I gotta put it the right way. New York stripper, punta la cara. First we gotta throw a little sauce. Here's a beautiful little like a mustard sauce, but it's not mustard sauce. Here. A little sauce on top of that. So you get to show you some flavor. It looks like mushroom sauce, but it's not mushroom. Okay. Gracias, Miguel. That's Miguel, my chef. Here, let's go with the vegetables. The vegetables got a little butter. Miniature vegetables and little butter sauce. It melts like butter. And little asparagus a la royale. Little asparagus a la royale. Not to cook, so that will look nice. Okay, now here comes the chicken. The chicken or the egg. Where's the almond? You gotta throw the chicken a little bit so it will flavor the almond sauce right there, once, twice, and you gotta bubble a little bit so you get the taste, you get the message over there that it's really pollo almendrado breast of chicken for a Barbara Sinatra style. Let it bubble a little bit so you can taste the sauce. Bárbaro, qué bárbaro, man. Better than a taco anytime. But don't discriminate the tacos. That's what we're famous for also. Barbara likes my tacos too, Barbara Sinatra. I did a party on his summer home. I did parties on his home on Foot Hill. Beautiful people. And whatever Sinatra is, he's watching me doing a little cooking for him, reminding him that he's still around here with me. Here's un poquito de color para el pollo almendrado. Tantito, that's the pollo almendrado. Where's the jalapeño? Oh, here's the Juan jalapeño coming up. Beautiful sauce, look at that. Ahorita de las verduras, voy a dejar pulso en verduras. ¿Dónde fue el plato de las verduras? Ver.
¿Está la verde?
Put it on one side and the other side one low. Okay. Okay, en this side le ponemos un poquito de carrots. Little miniature carrots on the other side. A little guacamole, nice and verde. And look at that. Estoy matando yo aquí. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Whatever Mrs. Sinatra is, somebody's going to enjoy this New York stripper Frank Sinatra style. Take a check. That's it. Follow me this way. Look at that beautiful food. No place in Los Angeles, California, only in Antonio's. Follow me this way. Barbara Sinatra, pollo almendrado, and Frank Sinatra steak, and to be accompanied the beautiful charo de cerveza sol, muy sabroso, and the charo tequila Antonio's. Let's get the charo. And beautiful charo of Antonio's reposado. Don't get drunk too fast. And a fantastic cerveza sol, world famous in Mexico, all over the world. Cerveza Sol, número 1 en México. Enjoy your pollo almendrado. You won't love that very much.
Delicious, Antonio. Here's to Mr. Sinatra. We did it his way.
All right, enjoy it. This is the Frank Sinatra's beautiful New York stripper, and we did it his way. That was his favorite song. Rest in peace.